Hi, I'm Andre from Logigenic, and in this quick Inkscape tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a circle between 2 points. So what you would want to do is either create a circle with the radius between the 2 points or with the diameter. So let's take the first one. Let's create a circle. I'll hold Shift Control for this. Now, as you can see, the control points are vertical and horizontal. So we would want to have them on a certain path, right? So let's create the 2 points. We'll use just 2 lines like this. So we'll bring the center here and the radius is going to be here like this. And so we need to snap the center. So we'll go into snapping and activate rotation center, and we'll snap to path. So we'll activate here and this one, cusp node. Now we can snap the center here. So in order to know which direction we're rotating, we'll just make this an oval like this. And let's create a guide between the 2 points to have something to snap on, right? So now if we rotate, we could snap here. So for that, we activate this snap on path like this. And we also have to activate quadrant point snap like this. So this point of the circle snaps on the path, right? So let's rotate again. And now we managed to snap it. So we can just, if you want to make it a circle again, hold Control while killing this. Now we can go ahead and snap it here on this point, and we have a circle with the radius between the 2 points, like this. Okay. So this is the first situation. Now the second one. Let's recreate the circle like this, and the lines like that. So we'll have this point right here, and this point like this, and the other one here. But in order to rotate it to this point, we're gonna need to move the rotation center and snap it to this point right here. Now I'll just snap it here like that. We recreate the guide between the 2 points like this. And now so we'll have to rotate so that these points get on this one right here. So I think we'll all eyeball it like this. Okay, check that it's good. It's good. Now if you want to scale this and keep this point on the line, scale, we cannot scale from, sorry about that. We cannot scale from here because it's gonna go beyond this point that we established before. So we'll have to scale it with the arrows, right? But you have to hold Shift Control to scale it. And now wherever you scale it, that control point, it's gonna stay on the line, right? That ensures that also the center stays on that line. So now we hold Shift Control and we snap it here. Now sometimes it doesn't want to snap when you hold Shift Control. I think it's a bug, not sure about that. But you can just hold only Shift, and even though it looks like an oval, when it snaps here, it's going to turn into a circle because it snaps to this point, and because these points are exactly on the diameter, then it's going to make a perfect circle. So don't worry about that. So just, if it doesn't work to hold Shift Control and snap it, yeah, so yeah, it just did it now. Not sure, I think it's a bug, but just hold Shift. So you hold Shift Control when you want to scale this. Well, yeah, I think there's a small bug there. So just hold Shift Control when you want to snap it to this one. If not, sorry about that, just Shift when you want to snap it to this point. And it's going to be a perfect circle, and then you can move it like from here and make it an oval if you want. If you by mistake make it a circle again and move these points, you're gonna have to reposition it in this point, and don't rotate it because it's gonna still be on the same path, right? So here, if you want to snap it, hold shift, and now it doesn't work. It's That's because this point is here. Not sure why it got there, but yeah. Sorry about that. It's not rotation, it's scale. So shift, and now you have the circle between the 2 points. And if not, shift control, and then the point stays on this line. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.